Repairs are scheduled and assigned to create the most efficient process for each vehicle. Every stakeholder has access to the information they need to perform their tasks and keep the process moving at speed. The software helps you assign, reassign, and balance work across vendors and technicians. Hours tracking and validation gives you insight into actual versus billable hours to maximize your team's productivity and minimize idle time. Know the real-time status and repair phase for each vehicle, whether the vehicle is in repair, completed, requires work, or is completed with problems remaining. Integrated photos and notes on estimates and ROs document the repair process, identifying all damage and proving all repairs. With Repair360, you have full control, process enforcement, and visibility for all your assets in reconditioning.